Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today for In the News, the U.S. Supreme Court hears a case on computer laws and its limits. The U.S. Supreme Court heard arguments surrounding a 34-year-old law on computer hacking, examining how the terms of the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act mean everyday activities like browsing Instagram on a work computer could be interpreted as a federal crime. Obviously, a lot has changed with our world and the computers that we use daily since 1986, when the original law had passed. The broad scope noting that any person who knowingly accessed a computer without authorization or exceeding authorized access violates the restrictions. However, today's standards, that could be sharing a Netflix password or lying about your height on a dating website. But no court or prosecutor has ever charged someone for such things. The law also presents a dark cloud for security researchers, whose work involves finding vulnerabilities on software and gadgets, often without authorization. The Supreme Court has until June to issue a ruling on the case. I'm glad that this is getting looked at, and I hope they can come to an understanding and maybe make some adjustments due to, obviously, our highly changing world and the computers we use daily. Now we have smartphones in our pockets that are computers. So much different. It's 1986. Hope you have a great week.